Assalamu alaikum, pyare Hazur. My question is that can we marry a non-Ahmadi Muslim?
Can we marry a non-Ahmadi Muslim? If you spoil your progeny, your children, yes, you can marry. If you want to save your children to you should train them according to your own beliefs. You raise them up according to your own belief, then you should avoid to marry non-Ahmadi Muslims. Right? Because your husband has the influence on your wife. That is how normally we see. And there will always be a conflict in the house. You will be saying that I will raise my children according to my Ahmadi beliefs. Your husband will say, no, I will raise my children according to my Muslim belief, or if he is a Christian, according to the Christian beliefs. And ultimately, most of these bonds break. And the girls suffer when they marry non-Ahmadi husbands. Although there are some successful marriages and they have good understanding, but the good percentage of the data says that normally either the marriages break or their children are not raised according to the teaching of Ahmadiyyat. So this is why we should avoid. Okay?